Again. Wow, it's working. So guys, welcome back. So what do we have here? This is a motor shaft, as you can see. Right here, this is where we have the split rings, which is also known as the commutator. And this is where the brush is going to be attached to, whereby it's going to make it to start spinning because current is going to flow through it. As you can see, this is the coil, the windings of these motor shafts. So guys, we're going to be doing an experiment on how a DC motor works. So first of all, what we're going to do is this piece of metal right here. So what I did was to drill a hole here, and we have another one right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to connect this shaft right into it, just like this. As you can see, this is how it's going to be. So guys, what we're going to do is we're going to make this shaft rotate. So at the back here, we're going to attach a stopper, and for us to do that, we're using a piece of tape, and we're going to connect this white piece. We're going to attach it at the back. The tape is to make it to be firm. The hole is just a little bit wider than the shaft, so it's just to make it tight a little bit. So this is how it's going to be. Okay, so the next part, we're going to connect this thing that looks like a fan, like a blade. So it's just to show that it's rotating. Good. So as you can see, this is how it is. So guys, here we have these wires. This is the positive, this is the negative. So if we are to send current through these slip rings, you will see that nothing is going to happen. You can see it's making some sound. You can hear the buzzing sound. Nothing is happening. So what we need to do is to introduce our magnet. The magnet plays a big role in making this shaft to rotate. Not this one. This one is very small. We're going to be connecting a big giant piece of magnet, which is this one. As you can see, this is a very big magnet. This is what we're going to use to drive that shaft right there. What this motor basically needs is two magnets. One is going to serve as the south pole, and the other one is going to serve at the north pole. But right now we just have one giant big magnet, and we're just going to be using only this. So first of all, what we're going to do is to know which side the magnetic force or the magnetic field is much powerful or it's concentrated. Right here it's not that concentrated, but right here the magnetic field is very strong. So we're going to connect it this way. We're going to be using this piece of metal right here. This piece of metal is to serve as a stopper, so that when we connect these magnets, it's not going to attract these shaft right here. So it's going to serve as a stopper. The magnetic field is very high. Good. So guys, as you can see, this is how it's going to be. You can see this is how it is. So guys, as you can see, we are set. We have our magnet, and one thing I did was to, since this place is where we have the magnetic field, where it's very concentrated, we try to connect it close to this side so that it would rotate. If this side is not close to these shafts, you would notice that it's not going to rotate. So what we're going to do right now, since the magnet is connected, we are going to send current to these split rings, and let's see if it's going to rotate. So right here I have my two wires. The white one is the positive, the blue one is the negative. Let's see if it's going to work. As you can see, guys, it's working. Let's try it again. Wow, it's working. So guys, as you can see, it's working very well, and it's even working with just one giant magnet. You can still attach another magnet to this side, and it will increase the speed of the motor, thereby making the magnetic field or magnetic force to be stronger. So as you can see, it's working. So let's try it once again. And you can see that the power, we are sending 12 volts right now to these split rings. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.